In today's fast-paced world, finding top-tier services is just a click away. Back then, you had to find someone that knew someone that knew someone. Now, we all know Fiverr, and they make it easy to hire pros for everything from book design to music production. In this video, I'll show how easy it is to get professional results without the stress of endless searching or complicated setups. I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's make some money. In this video, I'm upgrading my media kit with the help of a Fiverr freelancer named Ana Obrego, who's marked as Fiverr's choice, and her reviews are excellent, which gave me confidence that she knows exactly what she's doing. Now, what really makes her stand out from the rest is that she's been designing media kits for over 10 years. That kind of experience matters. She doesn't just throw your info on a template and call it a day. Oh, no. Let's check out Anna's page and see why she's Fiverr's choice. Okay, so now we're on the Fiverr website, and Anna, this is how I ordered from Anna. Okay, she made me a fabulous media kit. Basic is $20 with one page. Standard is $60 with 2 pages. Okay, and that's the silver media kit. And then we have premium, and that's the one I ordered from Anna. That is a gold media package, right? It's the gold media kit for $120. You get 3 pages, okay, with a PDF format, high quality, 6-day delivery. You get 2 revisions with this. So I said, that is the one, Anna. So I pressed continue, and that's the order I actually placed from Anna. She did such a I can't say how fabulous. I can't stop saying it. She did a magnificent job. And the colors, everything. I looked at her colors. I went through her whole kit, and I was like, that's exactly what I want. She had so many different examples and things to look at, but I knew this was the one because I have a media kit, and it wasn't hitting. It wasn't getting me the jobs I wanted, the brand deals I really wanted. And Anna, she did her thing. That's why she has 5 stars and over 250 reviews. Okay, so now here we go. This is how I ordered the whole thing. All right, the whole kit. Now I said that I wanted the gold package, and I pressed continue, which was only $120. All right, confirm and pay, and 7-day delivery. It was before 7 days, by the way. I got it back early. And I had to give her some information. I gave her some photos of myself. I gave her my website, my YouTube channel. I answered several questions just so she can know a little bit more about me, my logo, and I started the order. Right away, she thanked me. She kept in contact with me. Very, very professional. I ordered so much from Fiverr, so I know they have very professional people there. Now, my order was taken. I had an order number. Let's see. They said the order had started. And let me tell you, I was so pleased with Anna. Now I see why she had 5 stars, okay? Magnificent. And I mean it. I'm not just saying this. I've used Fiverr for so many different things, okay? From about 3 of my companies, from voiceover work for one of my companies, from I also do gaming, and I create games, and I use Fiverr because they have professional game makers to help me with some of the software, the coding. They have some of the best coders on Fiverr, by the way. I do some coding. I needed some help, just like I needed help with different orders, different voiceover, about 3 of my companies. And I've always been so pleased, so satisfied. I'm like, yo, Fiverr be hitting. It's like one, two, three. Like you have a variety of people to choose from, and they rank them. They tell you different, what they can do. And once you commit to the right person on Fiverr, I've never been unhappy with a Fiverr order. Never. I'm telling you, every order I place, mwah, 5 stars. 5 stars. And I was pleased again with Anna. I mean, Fiverr never lets me down. And I'm telling you this, you will never be let down with Fiverr. I'm telling you, I've been doing this for years. I waited a few days and then Anna fulfilled my order and I couldn't be happier. Let's check it out. Okay, so now here's my media kit right here from Anna. Her company is Pony Studio Design. Look how beautiful it came out. Look how beautiful. I mean, it makes the media kit I did look like mine's look amateur, right? Compared to this, I love how she did it. And she gave me the source file. So if I need to change anything, I can change it. Because, as I grow, as my subscriber count grows, I can always update it, change it, which I really appreciate. And I mean, this came out really, really fantastic. Look at this. I love how she put me inside the laptop. Very, very professional with the gold seal. I love that. She really captured what I wanted because I didn't tell her what colors or anything or the aesthetics. She came with that. And I love it. I'm glad I let her do what she wanted to do because some people will tell you, I didn't know which way to go with it. Obviously, I'm not too good at media kits, so I had her do it because I didn't like mine's. So I let a professional do it. And it came out fabulous. Look at this. And she took several pictures and she captured what I was trying to say. And she did it magnificently. Look at this. This is how you get your brand deals. This is how you get your jobs. If you're a content creator or an influencer, you need a media kit. I'm sure a lot of you guys already have one. If you don't, please hit up Anna. Look what she says. Let's empower audiences to hustle smarter, one smart move at a time. I love that. I love that. Very, very professional. I can edit any part I want because I paid for that. And she even put some of the brand deals I've worked with. She has really did her homework on this. And I also gave her my website, so she did a lot of research also. Very, very professional. This is how a media kit should look. I really mean that. This is how it should look. If you want to get the big brand deals, the 5 to 10, the 15, $20,000 brand deals, this is how you do it. And you have to have a professional media kit. You want to introduce yourself as a professional. And that's the way to do it. Thank you, Anna. This is a great example of how Fiverr helps content creators and influencers like me keep leveling up one step and one project at a time. Matter of fact, let me show you some cool projects and services you can order from the freelancers on Fiverr. Okay, now I'm on the page with trending services with Fiverr. And they have so many different freelancers that can do anything and everything. Okay. All right. I can guarantee it. This is all under Fiverr. All right. Publish your books. You have your books published. I'm actually working on that right now. And I use a Fiverr freelancer for that as well. I forgot. I had an illustrator with one of my books, by the way. Yes, I forgot. I use Fiverr. I've been using Fiverr for over 7 years. So graphic design, they have so many. They can help you with fonts, programming and tech. They can help you with building a website. You need that to make some money. Digital marketing. I use a marketer, by the way, from Fiverr to help me promote on social media, video, and animation. I use someone in that also because I do children's stories and animation for videos, writing and translation. They have music and audio. I've used the video production for that. Awesome, awesome freelancers. I'm telling you, I've almost used every category. Business, they even have legal services. They have finance. Oh, okay. Might have to look into, oh, I see something I might want to do now. Okay, they have every type of freelancer you can imagine. And they're also doing AI services now. Isn't it? I mean, come on now. They're doing it all. Personal growth, life coach. Wow. Tabletop games. Okay. Cosplay creation. Okay, so if you go into any cosplay type of parties or anything like that, you're gonna need this cosplay creation. You're gonna need somebody to help you make your costume. Check that out. That's hot. I'm definitely gonna look into that. Okay, they have consulting, life coaching. Look what's new. AI technology consultant. That's big. That is big right now. I'm telling you. Okay, machine learning. They have it all under this website right here, Fiverr. Photography, and they even have local photographers. So if you're getting married, a birthday, they have local photographers. Look at this. So I can hire a photographer anytime I want now. Just hit up Fiverr. This is so awesome. And I told you, they have some of the best freelancers you will ever find under one roof. I'm telling you, it's a one-stop shop. Everything is right under Fiverr. Every category. There is not one thing you can't find under Fiverr. I'm telling you. Need to level up your brand? Fiverr has experts for everything. Just like I found Anna to set me up with the fabulous media kit, you can find the perfect freelancer to take your business to the next level. Now hit that link in the description and start your upgrade today. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with Fiverr. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.